Behind the design. Narrow heel cup width. This client needed a custom orthotic to fit a hard-to-fit footwear style. The footwear was very narrow. The heel width of the footwear allowed only minimal expansion for the weight-bearing foot. The aim of this orthotic was to fit the specific footwear. This was achieved with a combination of prescription variables. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the narrow option from the heel cup width options within digital corrections on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features and consideration for this selection include the application of less than 5 mm of expansion is applied to the cast, foam impression, or scan provided of the patient. Considerations for this selection should include that the heel cup of the orthotic must fit the required footwear, that space within the heel cup is required for the weight-bearing heel. Space within the heel cup is also required for any dorsal additions. Space within the heel cup is also required for the top cover. Considerations should also include what casting technique has been used, as it will influence the heel expansion captured in the cast or scan. Orthotip. Factors to consider when selecting heel cup width. The heel cup width is determined by the amount of expansion applied to the cast or scan of the person's foot. The heel size captured will depend on the casting or scanning position used. Non-weight bearing will capture the smallest heel. Semi-weight bearing will capture some additional fat pad expansion, while full weight bearing will capture the full weight bearing dimensions of the heel. Factors to consider when selecting your heel cup also include the footwear dimensions. What type of shoe is the orthotic device going into? A sports shoe versus a dress shoe versus a work boot versus a sport-specific style. Any dorsal additions in your prescription, including Poron heel pads or horseshoe pads. The planned top cover thickness, including a midlayer, including Poron, or the overall cover thickness. Combining with other prescription variables that can assist with footwear fit include a low heel cup, a shank independent material, or intrinsic variables.